Painting is all about having fun and exploring different ways to express yourself. A great way to develop your creativity and bring your imagination to life. The best part is you don't need to be a great artist to create something amazing. With a few simple techniques, you can start painting like a pro in no time. And who knows, you might just discover a new talent or passion. Start off by choosing your reference, and collecting ideas from other artists will help you find inspiration. Painting is a great way to learn color theory and mixing colors. It is all about experimenting and having fun. There is no right or wrong way to do it. Experiment with different shades of colors and hues to create your very own unique and interesting effects. Using plenty of water will give your paint the ability to follow smoothly and evenly across the surface. Always remember to just have fun and experiment with different brush strokes and techniques. This is all part of the world of creativity. Give watercolors the time to dry, so don't rush through the process. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and check out my other fun art tutorials in my channel.